Okay, so if you have reached this point, we have now removed the NA row, the totally empty row from the middle of the table at row number 41. And I also showed you how to use a filter function to strip out row 40 that contained this detail text. So I just want to show you in a bit more detail what happened here. So what we said was, look in the state column, and we're going to look for this phrase, so asterisk, not included, did not meet inclusion criteria. So only return rows where the state does not equal. So exclamation equal means does not equal. If we were to write double equals, it would return only that row. So that's how we would end up with only that in our opioid scrape clean file. So I'm going to put that back. And I do just want to show you some alternate ways we could have done this. So we used a filter here, and filter is the right way to do this, but what we could have done was to use a different kind of filter. So another option for doing this would have been doing filter string detect, which is part of a package called Stringer for working with strings. And you don't actually need to do this. I'm just showing you some alternate examples, and for you to get the point that often there are multiple ways of doing the same thing. So what I could say is string detect in the state column where we find the word not. So the whole thing doesn't have to be not, just anywhere it contains not, we are going to we're going to filter based on that. And lastly, I'm going to put an exclamation point in front of it, which basically means the opposite. So if a row contains the word not in the state column, then do not return it. Return everything else. And so when I run this, we get this very nice nice cleaner table with that problematic row that's been stripped out. So that's another way of doing the same thing.